the preparation of 3-nitrophthalic acid. 3-nitrophthalic acid. इसमें जो है ये ऑपरेटर जो है वो राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क, मेजरिंग सिलेंडर, ग्लास कंडेंसर, फनल, फिल्टर पेपर एंड आयरन स्टैंड. Chemical required: phthalic acid 10 gram, concentrated sulfuric acid 10 ml, and concentrated nitric acid 20 ml. We will write this equation of the phthalic acid with the nitric acid. ये जो है ये phthalic acid है, plus nitric acid, sulfuric acid in the presence of, and we will get 3-nitrophthalic acid. Nitrophthalic acid. Nitrophthalic acid. इसके अच्छी पिक्चर ले लो. 3-nitrophthalic acid. Transfer into the round bottom flask and transfer to the round bottom flask. After that, add 20 ml of nitric acid. When you will add nitric acid or sulfuric acid, be careful because it is a concentrated, both are concentrated acids, so avoid your skin and your clothes. Add 20 ml of nitric acid and 10 ml of sulfuric acid slowly and dropwise. Warm it gently on the flame with constant shaking. Yellowish fumes will be evolved. जब आप उसमें ये दोनों डालेंगे तो उसमें क्या होगा, नाइट्रिक एसिड और वो ये सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डालेंगे तो उसमें जो है ब्राउनिश फ्यूम जो है वो इवॉल्व होंगे. तो आपने उसको शेक करते हैं ना आस्ता आस्ता. व्हेन द ब्राउनिश फ्यूम विल स्टॉप, फिर आपने उसमें कंडेंसर जो है वो लगाना है. ठीक है. स्लोली एंड ड्रॉपवाइज. वार्म इट जेंटली ऑन द फ्लेम. आपने जो है वो फ्लेम जो है उस पर बहुत आराम से थोड़ा से वार्म करना है, ज्यादा नहीं वार्म करना. ठीक है. On the flame with constant shaking, yellow fumes will be evolved from the flask. Wait until the fumes will stop. वो जब fumes stop हो जाए फिर आपने उसको जो है कंडेंसर लगाना. After that, fix the condenser and seal it. Fix the condenser and reflex it for 1.5 hours. And reflex it for 1.5 hours. At 80 degrees centigrade. Yellow precipitates of nitrophthalic acid. Yellow precipitates of nitrophthalic acid will appear. Transfer the contents of the flask into an ice cold water. And shake it vigorously. Filter the precipitates. Dry them on filter paper. And calculate the percentage yield. इसके यूजेज हैं. Used as antiseptic for external use. क्या यूज होता है? Antiseptic. We will calculate its theoretical yield from its molecular weight. Phthalic acid molecular weight is 166, and 3-nitrophthalic acid weight 211. We will calculate like this: 166 gram of phthalic acid will give rise to 211 gram of 3-nitrophthalic acid. and 1 gram, we will divide the 211 divided by 156, and we have taken this 10 gram of phthalic acid. So we will multiply by 10. So it is the theoretical yield. It is the theoretical yield. In the exam, you have to calculate the theoretical yield. So you must know that it is from the it is calculated from its molecular weight. From its molecular weight. And after that, you have to see the way the precipitates which will of 3-nitrophthalic acid after its formation of the precipitate, and weigh them and dry them and weigh them and calculate the percentage yield. Percentage yield is calculated practical yield over theoretical yield multiply 100. Multiply 100. In this way, you can calculate the percentage yield.